lemon box cake. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delicious. Mmm. 1 box of cake mix. It's the Duck and Hines lemon. 4 eggs. 1 stick of butter melted. 2/3 cup of milk. 1/3 cup of lemon juice. 1 box of lemon jello. 2 teaspoons of some vanilla. Mix it up. Use your hand mixer. Do whatever you got to do to mix that pan. Get you some Pam. Spray it down really good. We just gonna put it on over in here. Just bow. The glaze. Get you a bow, my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. 2 1/4 cups of powdered sugar. 1/3 cup of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And glaze. Some kind of plate, dish, whatever you want to flip it over on. Flip that bad boy. We are just going to put it on the top of here. Topped it with some fresh lemon. Supper tonight is barbecue rib sandwiches. I doctored them up with some Sweet Baby Ray's and some homemade French fries. Excuse you.
I couldn't hold it back.
I got some more fries in the background going, so. We love it doctored up with Sweet Baby Ray's. If you do not, I do not like that barbecue sauce that it comes on. It's watery. I don't know what it is. I just do not like it like that. At all. Comment down below what y'all are having for supper tonight. None of my kids don't like no onions, no pickle. So none of them got no onions, no pickle on it. This is really good. I'm telling you, extremely good. This one's going to get a couple onions. Quite a bit of onion, actually.
Excuse me, I do like pickles on my burger.
On your burger? Not on this, you don't.
So, exactly, you just lied it.
I did not. I did not
All
lie.
my kids like.
Dessert is a lemon cake, bundt cake. Fried jalapenos. Let me show you how to make them. Delicious fried jalapenos. Mmm. 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 Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. We are going to cut it into like stems. 1 cup of flour. 2 eggs. Garlic salt. Chili powder. I use tap water, but if you want to, head and use some beer. Beer makes it good and rich. That. See? Get your jalapeno, little spears. Put them suckers down in there. Then just mix them suckers all around. Stick them down in your hot oil, and then they should float to the top. taco rice. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Get you a pan. Get you 1 pound of ground beef. About a quarter of an onion that I'm going to dice up. Get your onions, add them in. Drain your grease. Get you a pack of taco seasoning. 2 cups of chicken broth. 2 cups of minute white rice. Get you a lid. Cover for about 10 minutes. Once that's done, get you a jar of salsa. Get you however much cheese you want. Put on the top. French toast. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Get you a pack of King Karan roast. This is the savory butter. Get you a bread knife. That's what I call this. And you're just going to cut straight down. Like this. Not used for coffee. You use it for French toast as well. I don't do no sugar or nothing. I just use this. So if you don't have this, just use regular milk. This gorgeous bow. I want to use 6 eggs. Want to see? Oh, I done it! A splash of pure vanilla. Half a cup of brown sugar. Give that a good whisk. Ooh, baby, that's what you want to see. I love y'all. Put a couple of your Hawaiian rolls in your wet mixture. You want to soak them in there for a few seconds. You just can hear my washer going crazy. Cinnamon, sprinkle some on there. You can put it in your mixture, but I think this way it gives it more taste. My house is smelling so good. Peanut butter roll. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delicious peanut butter roll. Mmm. They just melt in your mouth, guys. Get you a bowl. Get you some powdered sugar. About 1.5 cups. Get you some evaporated milk. Just a little bit. Then we are going to mix. A little bit. I want a lot, so I'm going to add in a lot of cream. You can't mess this recipe up at all. It's super easy and quick and delicious. You don't want it to be tough, but you want it to form. This is what you want your dough to look like. Some powdered sugar out. And then form a ball. Then we're going to just roll it out. Peanut butter. Spread on the top. Roll it as tight as you can get it. And you store it in the refrigerator as well. It's so good, guys. It just melts in your mouth.